Now today my topic of explanation is parts of speech. Now what is a part of speech? Part of speech are the words which are the parts which are used to build up sentences. These are the words which are the parts which are used to build up sentences. Now in English language there are a number of words, thousands of words are there, and all of these number of words fall into 8 groups or classes. And these 8 groups or classes are known as parts of speech. So students, one by one we are going to study what do you mean by parts of speech and what are the different classes or what are the different groups of parts of speech. So the first part of speech which we are going to learn today is a noun. Now, what is a noun? Is that simple as it is. Now, you might be playing name, place, animal, thing. The definition goes in the same way that a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. For example, Rahul is a name. Mumbai is a place. Pencil is a thing. Animal, tiger is an animal, the name. Okay? So, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. So, this is the first parts of speech. The second one is a pronoun. The second part of speech is a pronoun. What is a pronoun? Now, to be more specified about a pronoun, students, every time we cannot use the name of a person or the name of a place frequently. So, in place of that, in place of a noun, we use a pronoun. Now, if we go with a good example, if I am talking about a city, Mumbai. Now, I want to speak about Mumbai. Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai is a city which is very good for education. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. So, every now and then I am using the word Mumbai, which is a noun. So, once I have said that Mumbai is a big city, then you can start with it is a capital of Maharashtra. So, you are using a pronoun in place of a noun, that is it. So, what will happen? Because of this, the sentence will also become short and at the same time, it will be crispy. Now, if I want to speak about a child, Rahul is a boy, Rahul is an intelligent boy, Rahul is a smart boy, Rahul is good in sports, Rahul is good in his academics. So, every now and then, I should not use the word Rahul. So, in place of Rahul, I am using the word he. I am using the word he. Rahul is a boy, he is good in his studies, he is good in sports and so on. So, the word which is used in place of a noun is called as a pronoun. It shortens the sentences and at the same time, it makes it more crispy and more effective, and it becomes easy also to converse or to speak. So, this is the second parts of speech, that is pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Now, let's start with the third parts of speech, and the third parts of speech is a verb. The third parts of speech is a verb. Now, what is a verb? A sentence is never complete without a verb. A verb is a word which tells something about a person. It's an action word. It tells something about a person, or you can also say that it is an action word. If I say Rahul is walking. Rahul is walking. So what is walking? It is an action word. He is doing something. It is telling what the noun is doing. Okay? Which tells something about a noun. It tells something about a person. And what it is telling about the person? That is Rahul. That he is walking. So walking becomes a verb. It is an action word. The same time we see one more example. Rima is playing. So what is Rima doing? She is playing. It's an action word. So the word which shows or denotes an action is said to be a verb. It's that as easy. Now let's begin with our next part of speech, and that is adjective. The fourth parts of speech is adjective. Now, what is adjective? A word used with a noun to describe the person, animal, place or a thing is known as an adjective. A word which is used with a noun or which points out the person, place, animal or a thing is known as adjective. Or in other words, we can also say adjective always add something to the meaning of a noun. Adjective always adds something to the meaning of a noun. Let's see the example. He is a good boy. Which tells something about the noun. Okay. Now, what is a noun or a pronoun? We can say. So, he. What is told about the boy or about him? That he is a good boy. It is adding something to the meaning of a noun. It tells more about the noun. So, good is an adjective. Mumbai is a big city. Mumbai is a big city. So, what is told about the noun which is adding more to the meaning of the noun or which tells something more about the noun? Mumbai, that it is a big city. As we all know that it is a city. But what kind of a city it is? It is a big city. So, big is an adjective. Big is an adjective. Okay, students. So, what is an adjective? Adjective is a word which adds something to the meaning of a noun, which tells more about a noun.